Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. What we got? Why'd I even play that? Anyway. All right, so yeah, I mean that's like most of the chords of the song, but the song "Beautiful Things" by Benson Boone. You know, it's mainly what a 4-1-5-6 chord progression, and then 4-1-6-5 chord progression. That's mainly all it is. Then there's during the verse, there's a walk up from 5 to 6. It's like five, a major five, then a chromatic walk up from the 5, which is a F, to F sharp. It's like an F sharp diminished seventh, but you know, it's not a diminished seventh. A diminished seventh is this, but they play this instead. Um, yeah, and then go to the G minor. That's really the whole song. Okay. So anyway, so let me kind of go through the chords, and it may be off a little bit, you know, maybe the tempo is like 95 BPM, something like that. This is in the like pivoting on the 6th fret right here. You know what I'm saying? It's actually a E flat major. Here's a B flat major. Then here's a F major. And here's a G minor. Then G minor, F major. Then you go to a C minor, then the F major. All right, that's like the verse. Then at some point in the verse, it comes back around to where it's like. Then it goes. So all right. Then the pre-chorus comes around. Then they start chucking or like power chording the chorus, and it's pretty much like a clean muted thing. So back to. So I mean that's pretty much how they do the song. Okay. Now Again, those chords, E flat major. Let me turn that up a little bit. Or maybe that's enough. So E flat major, B flat major, F major, G minor. Okay, then E flat major, B flat major, then minor, walk down, G minor, F major to E flat, then C minor, F major. That's the chorus. I mean, that's the verse, sorry. And then it does it again. It does like the same chord progression, but there's, instead of the walk down from the G minor, walk down from the G minor to the F major to the E flat, G, F, E flat. Instead of that, it goes, okay, so F. So it does that, okay. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It has like a blues framework. You actually hear some of the on this part. You hear that bend when he does the reverb. That whole thing happens. I don't think there's any delay. Let me see. I mean, hey, maybe that works. So I mean, that's pretty much, that's like the gist of the song. And then you got the distortion part. They're playing that power chords, stuff like that. So let me share the. Do I even have it pulled up? That's the question. Let me share the actual. What you call it? I know. Okay, I was about to say, do I even have it up? Do I have it up? Let me get my Finder out of the way. Let's get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Let's go. All right, here we go. So yeah, so here are the notes right here. Okay, and I'll actually let me zoom in a little bit. And so yeah, here are the notes right here. I'll play through it, and as always, you know, I do a loose format that has all the notes, but just keep in mind that if it repeats, I won't put it in the actual notation. So, you know, just know that this is the verse right here. And I didn't do the finger picking part. I'm just showing the notes. So, and you see the tabs as well. And you can see all the hand positions. Okay. Here's the G minor walk down to F. You know what I'm saying? So it walks down to that E flat, which is also a D sharp. Okay. So now I'm gonna keep it going. Okay, and it's actually gonna walk down. It's gonna let me bring this up here. So it's gonna keep going, but I'm gonna do it with the chromatic walk up from the F to the G. Right here. F, F sharp, G. Okay, and then it ends the verse. Okay, this is the 2, which is the C minor. then it goes to the F major. And then these next one, these are the chords to the chorus. These beautiful things. So those are the chords to that. Okay, it pretty much repeats. Okay, this right here. Okay, the D sharp, which could be played here, or the root could be played over here. See that D sharp over there too? You could play that D sharp E flat major from here as well, playing the open A major shape. All right, so that's pretty much that. So all right, so that's that. So you can, do what you will with that. Pause it, do what you want to do with that. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. So as far as the D sharp, you could play it up here. So if you were to do power chords, you could or you can all right. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. All right. I mean, and I wanted to say something about the song real quick. As much as I like the song, I really like the song actually. It's very much a human experience, like many songs, and it's like it's a prayer, like Lord, don't take these. Like my life is perfect right now. Please don't take these things. I just want to comment on that because anytime that people bring God into the mix, I am a believer of God. I believe in Christ, specifically. Okay. And I believe that God walked this earth dressed up as a man named Christ. That's what I believe. Some people believe they're this or that he was only a man, whatever. I believe that the creator can do what the creator does. I believe that. I don't have problems with that. And I have personal experiences verifying that. So, you all do with that information what you want to do with it. Okay. Anytime I've seen God take anything, if that is ever such a thing, I've always seen restoration that was more than what was taken away. And back on the taking away part, I don't really recall God taking away anything. I think that's what we use to comfort us. We don't ever want to say that we misused or we lacked stewardship of the thing that we were given. Some of us don't want to admit that we didn't steward it correctly. Okay, so, whether or not God takes something, okay, whatever. But as far as I know, when God gives something, he gives it. He don't take it back. It's us. We misuse stuff and we end up losing it. Or, the scriptures say that the enemy steals, kills, and destroys. Okay? I just wanted to say that part. I just wanted to make sure it's the enemy that does that. God don't do that. Maybe, some contexts in the Bible say that, well, God may permit something. But I believe if God permits it, there's something on the end of that. And there's a possibility if the person is so hung up on not losing something, well, they're possibly worshiping it. And God don't want you to be in that position anyway. So what's going to happen in that situation? You end up losing it. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to offer perspective on that. You all do what you want to do with that information. Believe me or don't believe me. Agree with me or don't agree with me. That is perfectly fine. Just like you may not agree with me, I have the right to not agree with you. All right. But based on the context, understand that there's always a variable where a person misuses something in the mix. Sometimes people think that they do stuff to where they deserved what they got and to forgot to remember that it was God that blessed them with it. So sometimes they need that reminder. But that's still misuse. You see what I'm saying? That's not God doing it. That's the person misusing their authority, their stewardship of a thing. So that could go as deep as you want it to go. You know, some people would bring up Job. Some people would, whatever. There are perspectives that say that Job thought that he was such a good man that he deserved the things that he got. So therefore, for a moment, he thought that the things that he had was because he was a good man, not because God was good. And then God reminded him, but at the same time, God restored him. So do with that information. Do whatever you want to do with that information. But I just don't believe that God takes away. But if for whatever reason it does happen, I believe that God restores twofold, tenfold, hundredfold. And always remember that He's the one that blesses. And I'm simply the one who responds to the fact that He blessed me first and He loved me first. Therefore, I can love Him. Not I love Him. I love you, oh God, I love you, I love you. It's because He loved me that I can love Him. So I've been empowered to love Him back because He loved me first. So, yeah. I know that was like 5 minutes. This is a guitar lesson. But I'm just going to put it out there. And I appreciate y'all. I love you. Thank you for watching this. And hope that the lesson was helpful. Hope that the little Bible study was helpful, maybe, if that's what that even is. And yeah. All right. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.